Dear student, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to English language course. Today we will learn lesson number 4, sentence making. I will teach you in both languages, English and Urdu, so that if you are native Urdu speaker, you can understand what we are going to learn. Part of speech are categories of words and are used to make sentences. Following chart shows simple sentence and part of speech used in it. तकरीर के हिस्से जिन्हें पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच कहते हैं अल्फाज के ज़ुमरे में हैं। जुमरे से मुराद कैटेगरीज और जुमले बनाने के लिए इस्तेमाल होते हैं। सेंटेंस को जुमले कहते हैं। अंदरजा झैल चार्ट सादा जुमले और इसमें इस्तेमाल होने वाले तकरीर के हिस्से दिखाता है। आज के सबक में आप नाउन्स, प्रोनाउंस, वर्ब, एडजेक्टिव, एडवर्ब, प्रेपोजिशन, कंजक्शन और इंटरजेक्शन के अल्फाज के बारे में जानने लगे हैं। लेकिन परेशान बिल्कुल मत होइए कि आपको आगे जाकर इनकी तफसील मालूम होगी। सो इन टुडे लेसन वी आर गोइंग टू इंट्रोड्यूस यू and I will teach you what is now about the noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. We will learn each of them in very detail. So to make a sentence, we use these part of speech. For example, there is a sentence, there is no God but Allah. In this sentence, noun is the God and Allah. There is pronoun, is verb, no is adjective, but is conjunction. And when we combine all part of speeches, it makes a simple sentence. Similarly, in second example, we have some nouns, stone, house, castle. We have some verb, stone, which describes the house. Adjectives, is and called. When we combine all these part of speech, a simple sentence, a stone house is called, a castle is made. In next example, we have scissors as noun, careful as verb, be as adjective, with as preposition, and sentence become be careful with scissors. In next sentence we have photo and camera as noun, take as adjective, with as preposition, and sentence is take a photo with the camera. Next we have signal, chat, software as noun, chat which describes software is verb, is as adjective, and sentence is signal is a chat software. In last we have computer as noun, I as pronoun, type as adjective, in as a preposition, and sentence made is I type in the computer. So today we learn lesson number 4, simple sentence making.